Hi everybody, I got a new package, brand new package from Mei Leaf. Let's open it up together. They even put a rubber band around it as well. And postman decided not to knock on the door, just shove it in front of the door and run away. But luckily we found the box, so that's good. Let's open this up. So this is what it looks like inside. There's some bubble wrap to put there. I got some green tea because I'm missing my green tea. I got some licorice root, that's good for your throat. Another one. Another one. Yeah, I'm preparing for winter. And I got brush for matcha tea. And there it is. It's a whisk rather. Let's see how it looks like. How does it open? How does this open? Well, you just twist it off. That's great. It looks like there's a plastic cap there. Am I taking it off? Yes, I am taking it off. And that's how it looks like. And then you can whisk around. And that's that. I can put it there. Oh wow, okay. This is cute. This is the tea. This is the matcha tea. This is very cute. Let's open this. I like the fact that even the bag is branded Mei Leaf. I don't even know what it says. What does it say? No, just the usual thing. True tea and all sorts. But this is in a ceramic box. Oh, it got stuck there. It's fine. So this is ceremonial matcha. And this is quite hard ceramic tin, so I guess once it finishes I can use it for something. Season 17th of May 2025. We will review this. I am not opening it until the day of review, so it will be a proper first impression. So that's that. I got some ropewear, a little package, 15 grams, just for tasting. Well, I don't know how it will taste like, so pretty much I can have another review. And then for the matcha, I got this. Let's put that there. This is, I hope, not a waste of money, because this is the little bowl for making the matcha. I just really like because it's black and then the tea is going to be very dark green inside. And I have some small pots from IKEA, but I suppose this one is a little bit different than just any random pot. So there you can see it. And then let's see what it looks like inside. Ta-da! More bubble wraps. And then there we go. Okay, this is quite heavy. It's heavier than the random IKEA pot that I have. And it has some sort of stamp at the bottom. Maybe if I put my finger there. Never mind, I will take a picture. So it's quite dark black and it sounds a bit ceramic, so it's not made out of clay, obviously, but because of the color and the shape, this green tea will look lovely inside. It is the same size as my other IKEA pots, really, but it's way heavier. So let's see, I might do a comparison, how does it compare to your average IKEA pot. So that's it for this unboxing video. I hope you liked it. We will review this next time because I'm really excited about this, and then we will review this as well. So thank you very much, and then have a lovely evening.